Good evening.
How do you assess that performance?
Different things. I think the first feeling in frustration because we started the game very well with good organization, fantastic first move between Iborra and Jamie Wardy. I think this big foul deserved the red card, and all this can change the face, of course, of the game. It was the first incident against us, and after the 31st minute was, I think, interesting, with a good level, good organization, good recovery of the ball, and good opportunities to in attack or counter attack. The last 50 minutes before the half time was a little more difficult because of perhaps a little more space, too space between our lines, and the first goal conceded was difficult to accept just before the half time, and we come back with good intention in second half. And just at the beginning, we have to score, I think, with this shoot on the post, and on the counter attack we conceded the second goal. Nice goal, but the second goal difficult also to accept. After we know this team, and it's a fantastic team. It's the best team for me in Europe, in the world, in this moment. And with 2 goals conceded, it was difficult to recover the ball. And we know this team with his position, his technique. They control the game without taking risk. Just we try to push sometimes, but on every counter attack it was difficult for us, because it was easier for them to play with his 2 goals in advantage.
Why did you think Kompany should be sent off?
Pourquoi il devait être exclu Kompany?
I think Vardy, Jimmy is the last player, the last striker, and the other player, the defender cannot come back on him, because he's just on the center. He's quick. He came alone, and the other defender in his left cannot come back on him. Of course, some different incidents today changes the game. We respect this team. It's a fantastic team, but it's a disappointment, because without these incidents against us, we can stay competitive against them.
When you named your team, we didn't expect Albrighton to play in the central position. What was your thinking behind playing him there?
I think it was interesting, the 31st minute, because this system with Mark in midfield allow a good organization, good recovery of the ball, and first minute very interesting, with a good football, good organization, solidity, and with quality, because Mark has all the quality to play in this position, with a good technique, a big volume on the efforts. He can run a lot. It's interesting for the future. After the 31st minute, it was a little more difficult, I said, because we kept to space between our lines, and after, when they can find their midfield between the lines, they can turn, they can attack. Here they can develop their game. It's difficult. It was important to come back compact in the second half, but we conceded the second goal at the beginning and just after our chances, and this it's a pity.
Claude, did you ask the referee for an explanation why he made that decision?
Yeah, but I think for him, he tried, and the defender, the Manchester City defender can come back on Jimmy, but when we saw the movie, the summary, we can see it was not possible for the defender to come back, and it was an opportunity to score, but also, of course, an opportunity to play 87 minutes, 11 against 10.
How difficult has it been for you to transform Leicester, which was essentially a counter-attacking team, to the football you like passing football team? Has it been difficult for you so far this week?
But of course, it's a little difficult. But for example, we cannot work all the time together. Just here with the international break, it was not possible to have a 13 play in international break. After it was just two training sessions with just movie to explain something, and when you play against a team like Manchester City, it's very crucial to have a good organization. The details are very important and crucial, and this is not possible. But I'm a good feeling with the play, because they listen, they try to correct something, and during 30 minutes it was interesting. It was a team compact with quality, and with every recovery we tried to play a good football without lacking the ball in the first touch with the first pass. It was important, and we have had some good opportunities and chances. And this it's important for the future. We have a quality, a lot of play fast on the team. It's interesting, but we need to work together. It's a long way, and we can have also more control on the ball, with a good start with the ball, with a little more quality, and but we go to improve step by step, gradually, together. I'm sure in the second part of the season, when we will play all the time against the Manchester City, we will see another team.
Do you think Okazaki still has a chance to make it starting lineup more often in your team?
We will see. We go to play many games every 3 days. I think it will be important, crucial to keep all the player fit, with not just in the physical, but also with in the attitude, and working hard on the pitch, on the training session, and to give a good level, good opportunity for the team. We will make different rotation, because we go to play every 3 days, and it will be important to have a good squad, a good player ready to come and to play with their teammates.
Yeah, he played in central midfield position today, albeit it was only for 8 minutes or so. But is there a chance that he could be put in that sort of position as well?
Il a joué, bon, il a vrai qu'il a joué que 8 minutes, mais il a joué comme milieu de terrain. Il pourrait peut-être rejouer là à l'avenir.
No, I think it's just for the end of the game, because he has quality to make counter attack after the recovery. It's a striker, but I think he can play 10 minutes in this position, because he's generous. He work a lot for the team, but Shinji, is a striker and attacking player, but we tried something until the end with a lot of players. But it was crucial also to keep a good organization, a good structure. And with Shenji in the middle, it was good and perhaps interesting to try something with him for 8 minutes, but no more.
Have you seen enough of your squad now and their strengths and weaknesses to know what your strongest team is?
Vous savez assez vu maintenant les faiblesses, les points forts, les points faibles de votre équipe pour savoir quels sont vos 11 titulaires maintenant.
Pour savoir.
Quelle est votre équipe numéro 1, les 11 titulaires?
I think it's important to develop all the team or the squad because we go to play every 3 days, and it's not possible to play every time with the same team and with the same starting player. And I think all the players need to make progress and and deserve to play also. We will see if we can give game time for the player. Sometimes for some position, a lot of players, for example, a lot of striker in the team. Sometimes it's difficult for some player to have game time, but it's important to keep all the players with the good attitude and the strong work, hard work on the pitch, and to give opportunities for the squad. Thank you.